Hello, my name is William.
And mine is Pranav.
And together we're Team Creator, paving the path towards a better future.
Today, we are solving a multi-billion-dollar global crisis, potholes.
Potholes aren't just annoying, they're a hidden epidemic. Each year they cause irreparable damages to our communities and well-being.
The facts back this up. Each year in the US, potholes cause around $26.5 billion in damages and around 30% of all road fatalities. This is an opportunity for innovation and to enter into an untapped market.
Today, pothole repairs are stuck in the past. Done mostly through manual labor, it costs cities around $600 per pothole. In addition, it's inefficient. In the UK alone, there's a staggering $17 billion pothole backlog. It's like using band-aids on a broken dam.
Inspired by the WRO 2025 theme and the need for innovation, we invented an AI-powered robotic solution that plugs potholes before they become disasters.
So how does our project work? In real life, we'll have two parts, a pothole detector and a pothole fixer. The detection system is small, versatile, and be attached to any vehicle like a dash cam to detect for potholes using AI.
The repair unit can be attached to any ordinary pickup truck and is able to autonomously repair potholes using cold asphalt without needing special vehicles or equipment. Together, these two systems work seamlessly to create a wonderful system.
So here's a video of our AI detection system in action on an actual road. It's a custom-trained convolutional neural network model built in approximately 10,000 images. Once a pothole is detected, the GPS coordinates are then automatically logged back onto our website for further analysis. In addition, we also coded a way to estimate the volume of a pothole before repair.
So now repairing potholes across the city, we need to make sense of all the data. We use heat maps and algorithms to help retell the data and plan all the repairs that save time and money. These can be used by both physical workers and repairers alike, and can easily be accessed to our interactive website. This is much more efficient than naive dispatch.
But detection and analysis means nothing without action. Our final step is to actually fix these potholes, which is done through our autonomous repair vehicle. On screen here is a 3D model to show what it will look like in real life. In addition, we also built a small robotic prototype as proof of concept. So let's show you Creator in action.
So I'll be taking a picture of a pothole and putting it in front of the camera. So as you can see, the AI detects the pothole and initiates the repair process. We're using sand to make cold asphalt. In real life, I'll blower to blow the debris out of the pothole. In addition, I want to emphasize that these are two separate systems. The detector goes in any ordinary car, or the repair unit goes specifically on a pickup truck.
Safety is also a very major concern. We plan to implement a variety of safety measures as shown on screen to make sure that the vehicles and citizens on the road are safe. In addition, we perform numerous mathematical calculations to ensure the safety of both the weight of the asphalt and other co-founding variables on the truck.
So let's take a look at some of the logistics on pothole fixing. If you work with the city to add detection units to police cars, which cover roughly 150 miles per day, we can cover a total 173,000 lane miles of roads in our local city in just 7 days. With the system, we hope to find most of the potholes across cities.
Throughout this journey, we faced numerous challenges. For example, we had to create a PWM shell to prevent it from malfunctioning, road multi-threading to get our AI model to actually work, and in addition, we went through many stages of prototyping and designing our final dashcam system, as you can see here shown by our 3 generations. So you see, we learned a lot about problem solving, resilience, and innovation.
We can't say that it's the best without looking at cost efficiency. Maintenance on a vehicle every month would be around $200 to $500. To build the AI detector, we only spent around $100. We also roughly estimate that the cost of each repair unit would be around $6,000 and can repair bottles that cost $52 each, which is asphalt, fuel, and maintenance.
So with the vehicle fixing just 5 potholes per day, we're able to save upwards of $1 million per year per vehicle and reduce costs across cities by as much as 90%. And of course, our key revenue stream would be the opening contracts with local governments.
Due to the scope of this project, we can expect that some of our future collaborations include local governments, large tech firms, and even insurance companies. Our key resources include permits and patents.
Our next steps are to consult with experts, overlay traffic data for better route optimization, and even start production on the repair system. So this is Creator, paving the path towards a better future. Thank you.